I believe you can hear me from here.
Yes,
Speak very loud. Okay, is it good for all sitting at the back?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ठीक है, ठीक है. So, starting with myself, most of you might have seen me into the canteen, right?
Yes, sir.
देखा है सबने?
Yes, sir.
Let us start with a little introduction about myself. My name is Ashish and I am a chef by trade. Okay, and you are seeing me into the canteen because we are running a department into college which is she's sitting here, Nishita, and this year we have 24 students with us. So you are seeing me into the canteen, and what you are relishing into the canteen, the food preparations that are being prepared by our students. Okay, but you can always control your looks. Can you control your looks? कपड़े चेंज कर सकते हो?
Yes, sir.
बाल स्ट्रेट करवा दोगे तो अलग लगोगे, बन बना लोगे तो अलग लगोगे, है ना? लुक्स की बात कर रहा हूँ, I'm not talking about personality. You can change your looks.
Yes, sir.
Let us make it interactive. ये कोई लेक्चर नहीं है, मैं लेक्चर नहीं दे रहा, तो बात करने आया हूँ. क्योंकि जो मेरा लेक्चर का टॉपिक है वो सबको आता है. एटिकेट सबको आते हैं, टेबल मैनर्स क्या होते हैं सबको पता है, टेलीफोन एटिकेट्स क्या होते हैं सबको पता है. तो मैं सिर्फ आपसे बात करने आया हूँ. ओके, एटिकेट्स क्या होते हैं कि बड़ों से ऐसे बात करनी है, किसी के साथ मिसबिहेव नहीं करना, ये एटिकेट्स होते हैं. So we shall be speaking about etiquette for next 40 minutes, and I assure you in this lecture I'm not gonna bore you for even a minute. तो ये आपने पहले से ही पढ़ा होगा, आपके बहुत दिन से लेक्चर चल रहे हैं. पर्सनालिटी वर्ड इट वाज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम अ लैटिन वर्ड, एंड एट द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम इसको क्यों यूज किया गया था? टू डिस्क्राइब द कैरेक्टर्स हु आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन थिएटर. लोग क्या करते थे? पर्सोना इज समथिंग. मैं एक आर्टिस्ट हूँ. आई एम प्लेइंग अ कैरेक्टर ऑफ अ ब्रदर टू समवन ऑन अ स्टेज. So that was for the first time when the word was used. Personality of a person. It literally means of a person, something of a person. I've heard of this phrase in your junior classes, like your first impression is your last impression.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard of it? सभी ने सुना होगा, बड़ी common सी बात है ना? But is it possible that you people can control your first impression? Do you think you can control your first impression? Yes.
Yes.
You can control your first impression. And the etiquette, these are the tools through which you can control your first impression of someone. Okay, so we shall be speaking about all these things in our later on, stages of this lecture. So, what is personality? Personality is characteristic patterns of thinking, feeling, and behaving in a society. What is society? What is society? You know what is society? No? We are living with the humans, we are living with the fellow humans. So this is where people are basically lacking etiquettes. There are people, unfortunately there are people in the society which are lacking etiquettes. But our role is not to discuss them today. We are to discuss etiquettes. What are etiquettes? देखो, etiquettes are tool to control your first impression. Your first impression is last impression on someone. But if you can practice good etiquettes, you can always control your first impression. सिंपल सी बात है, आपको पता है ना? पता ही है, मैं तो सिर्फ आपको एक बार डिस्कस करने आया हूँ आपसे, है ना? Second is etiquettes are ticket to opportunities. Etiquettes or good manners can open the doors that even money cannot. होता है ना? सबके फ्रेंड सर्कल में होंगे, मेरे में भी थे, आपके में भी होंगे, है ना? तो this is about etiquettes. If you are practicing etiquettes, good etiquettes, then you are actually letting people to connect with you very easily. Right? Am I correct?
Yes.
So, etiquette are basically creators of reputation and winning style. There are people who have a monogram of winning every situation, and they are wearing a winning style. And what is their winning style? Their winning style is etiquette. Okay? Is it good to go?
Yes, sir.
तो समझाने वाली चीज नहीं है, कॉमन सी बात. 3 क्वेश्चंस का जवाब देना है बेटा खुद को. कोई आपसे सवाल नहीं पूछ रहा, कोई आपको जवाब नहीं देना, आपने खुद से ये 3 क्वेश्चन पूछने. First question is, what do we expect from others? What do we expect from others? हम दूसरों से क्या expect करते हैं? This girl, if she is speaking to someone or she is about to meet a new person for the first time in her life, so what does she expect from that person? For expectations appropriate. When you are meeting someone, you know what are your expectations from someone, and you know what somebody is expecting from you, how to meet the expectations, your expectations and the person's expectations to which you are about to speak or about to meet. Is that clear? Simple. ठीक बोल रहा हूँ मैं बेटा?
Yes,
इसमें तो
sir.
कुछ ऐसा नहीं है जो बड़ा समझाना पड़े. This is not maths. Maths आता भी नहीं है मुझे. मैं तो शेफ हूँ, खाना बनाना आता है मुझे. थोड़ी सी बातें एटिकेट्स की कर रहे हैं क्योंकि आपको भी आती है, इसीलिए हम बात करें. Good to go? Are we on the same frame? Okay. So let's move to the third slide. And in this slide, I have divided etiquettes into different categories. So there are basically, I have divided etiquettes into 5 categories. First category is social etiquette. Second is dressing etiquette. Third is workplace etiquette or office etiquette or corporate etiquette. Next is dining etiquette, and the last one is telephone etiquette. ये क्या है? 5 चीजें हैं जिनको मिला के आपकी सम टोटल ऑफ योर पर्सनालिटी बनेगी. सलाम वालेकुम बोलो, सरदार बोलो, सत श्री अकाल बोलो, क्रिश्चियन सुनो, जो भी है यार, you have to greet everyone. This is how you cherish into other people. आप लोगों को खुश करते हो, आप भी खुश होते हो. Okay? Next is listen with curiosity, think before you speak, and speak clear and speak with honesty. Resolution or whatever you are supposed to, talk to the other people, then speak clearly. So this is all about social etiquette. सबको पता ही है ये सारी चीजें, है ना? है ना? बहुत सिंपल चीजें हैं. आपका अगर एग्जाम हुआ तो बड़ी सिंपल चीजें लिखी हैं. Corporate dressing or dressing when you are supposed to work in the corporate sector or in the offices. देखो, most of you people are about to graduate in next 2 years, and after graduation you are no more kids. You are supposed to work in the industry. है ना? ऐसा ही है. काम करना है ऑफिस में, पैसे कमाने हैं, घर वालों को सपोर्ट करना है. So you have to work on your dressing sense. काम करने जाओगे या देखो, 2 टाइप के लोग होते हैं. काम करने आते हैं, उनको देखने से पता लगता है कि यार बड़ा एक्टिव बंदा है. लगता है ऐसा? बोलो, लगता है ना? देख के लगता है बड़े एक्टिव सा लग रहा है बंदा, ये लड़की बहुत एक्टिव सी लग रही है. और कुछ लोग देख के ज़रा ढीले लग रहे हैं. If you are working in an office, and you are an accountant, you have to dress up like one. If you are working at a reception of a 5-star hotel, you have to look like a receptionist. टी-शर्ट और जीन्स में बैठे हो तो ये कौन बैठ गया यार? लेकिन आप कॉर्पोरेट ड्रेस पहन के, सूट पहन के, टाई पहन के बैठे हो तो people will reckon you as a receptionist. Okay? Next is a suit with a solid and pinstripe pattern reflects corporate attire. This is for males or working at any places. They are lacking these etiquettes, and this does not mean कि वो उनके अच्छे etiquettes नहीं है. This means they are actually adopting a casual approach at work. In your day, you have to show respect to the person, every person, from janitor to your safai wala, to your office boy, to your senior so do yaar, koi baat nahi. Respect and courtesy to each and everyone you are meeting at work. Right? Second is seek permission. Even if you are using a pen which is not yours, you have to seek permission for that. Am I right? Even if somebody is using your pen and she or he is not taking a permission from you, you won't tell her something. And if you are in doubt that you may be wrong, maybe I am wrong, even then you have to apologize. It takes nothing to apologize. I know, but it helps you to, it helps the next person to clear his mind. Okay, next is again be punctual, starting meetings at time and even ending them at time. I shall be ending my meeting at 9. 3 बजे खत्म कर दूंगा. Okay? You have to be punctual about time. It is not about starting the meetings or into the working hours. It is about long calls. Because if you are carrying a mobile, there is a good probability that you are getting calls which are very important. But even if you are taking the calls, you have to make them short. If you are speaking to your mother, tell her, Mama, I am at work. I shall call you back once I am free. Okay? I shall call you back in the tea time. Okay? If you have to discuss these things, you have to make them out of the office. Because the next person sitting to you, he or she is also getting distracted with your communication. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
नहीं मिलेगा तो बता देना, हम तो कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हैं, मैं आपको कुछ सिखा नहीं रहा, हम तो सिर्फ बातें कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? सही बोल रहा हूँ मैं? इसके बाद 3 बजे भी आपको कोई लेक्चर है? छुट्टी है? ओके, तो बस खत्म कर रहे हैं। ओके, dining skills. So this is one more area I need to discuss with you people when you are at work, but when you are into a professional setup. And by professional setup, I mean into a college or into a class or into a office. Okay, first is carry foods with light aromas. Our food, I am a chef, so I can speak about food for hours. But right now, I am not about to speak about food. But if you are carrying food, you have to carry the food with light aroma. Second is interact less casually with the colleagues at common spaces. Clean up and put packagings into the waste bins. This is one more important point. Whenever you are into a professional setup, you have shame. I even lift boxes. I can do the dishes. There is no shame into it. And I have 2 restaurants of my own. I have a bakery in Jalandhar only. I don't get ashamed of doing anything. Because it is work. है ना? काम है, काम ही नहीं, हम कनाडा जाके हम सब कुछ कर लेते हैं. But this is about professional setup. Office की बात करूँ, घर की नहीं बात कर रहा. घर पे तो आप नहीं भी उठाओ चलेगा. If you are into office and you are using a number which is given to you by the company or you are sitting on a landline phone, you have to answer the calls promptly. एकदम से तीसरी कॉल से पहले फोन उठा लो. Is it good to go? समझ आ गया? थर्ड क्या है? तीसरी कॉल तीसरी कॉल हुआ उससे पहले उठा लो. Now typing की sound, mouse की sound, you have to avoid that. This is all noise. Second is, next point is be a good listener. Always be a good listener. Next is call timings. If you have to call someone, call between like मैम मुझे आपको कॉल करनी है सुबह 6 बजे करूँ और I have to call you at 9:30 or if you have to call somebody at 9:30 after 9 you have to seek permission. WhatsApp पे मैसेज कर दो, text मैसेज कर दो. You getting my point? Keyboard of avoid the habit of taking personal calls at work. Okay, that is all. Last is taking calls. Some points, some things you have to consider while taking calls. Stay calm, polite, and speak clearly. Whenever you are taking calls, you have to stay calm. Calmly बात करो. बस बड़ी बात करो ना. हाँ बोलो जल्दी बोलो खत्म करो. ऐसे नहीं करना. You have to stay calm. Yes, please tell me. How can I help you today? Okay. Next is be polite, speak clearly, listen carefully, and answer only once next person is finished speaking. कोई बात कर रहा है बीच में अच्छा ठीक है आगे समझ. कोई बात नहीं इसको ऐसे करो. No. Even if you have got what the next person wants from you, you have to wait for him or her. Get to the purpose and take proper note. ज़्यादा लंबी बातें नहीं करनी है. Purpose पे आ जाओ. Take proper note. Then, if keeping conversations open, promise to end some other time. अगर आप किसी से बात करते हो बीच में करते हैं अच्छा यार मम्मा का कॉल आ गया मैं आपको थोड़ी देर के बाद कॉल करती हूँ. I shall call you back into 1 hour or I shall be calling you back this Saturday afternoon. You have to make promise that I am keeping this conversation open and I shall be ending it on a particular date. Alright?
Yes, sir.
So last point is end with a solution or greeting. So I am very particular about greetings. Whosoever you are meeting in your day, you have to greet them. कोई भी है, सफाई करने वाले से लेके कोई भी है, you have to greet them. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And last thing is about smile. You have to wear a smile. How many muscles it takes to smile?
17.
And frown? 43. So फायदे का सौदा कौन सा 17 वाला? So keep smiling. That is all from my side. Others happiness one desires for himself or herself. दूसरों के लिए भी वही अच्छा चाहो जो खुद के लिए चाहते हो. तुम चाहते हो तुम्हारे मार्क्स बहुत अच्छे आ जाएं तो ये भी चाहो दूसरों के मार्क्स भी बहुत अच्छे आ जाएं. If you think that you have to get a good placement into a company, so help your friends to get a good placement into a good company. Second is what you done, wish done to others. What you done, wish done to others, do not do on to the others. अगर आप ये थोड़ा सा इसमें don't लिखना था. अगर आप चाहते हो जो चीज आपके साथ ना हो, विश दैट नॉट टू हैपन टू अदर्स. आप चाहते हो मेरा ये नुकसान ना हो, तो आप ये चाहो किसी का भी ना हो. एंड नेक्स्ट इज attend the people around the way you want yourself to be attended. लोगों को वैसे ही अटेंड करो जैसे आप खुद को अटेंड करना चाहते हो. अगर आपको लगता है आप किसी के घर पे जा रहे हो या किसी से मिल रहे हो, आपसे कोई बड़े रेस्पेक्टफुली बात करे. So you have to treat people in the same way.
So I'm sure I can see that you really enjoyed this lecture, and sometimes we have a conversation with a resource person and we get that thing once more, right? And I'm sure you must be looking forward for another interaction with him because we had a very short time. We have short lectures nowadays due to your remedial classes, but I could not introduce him properly because of this shortage of time only. And you must have realized by now how dynamic Mr. Ashish is. Full of optimism, leadership, be in academics, in research. We tend to learn so many things from him. And above all, he is a gem of a person. We all thank you, sir. We thank you for your wonderful.